Hello guys, and welcome once again to another YouTube video where I share with you quality content regarding the financial markets. And remember, out of generosity, I've just started this amazing series to help you crash and boom traders analyze your instrument well and actually make money on your instrument, as I will be analyzing with you. So if you check in the first episodes, ever since episode 1, 2, I actually gave this opportunity. This was a trade opportunity that I gave live here on the channel. After this break here, I gave you that here on this zone, that's where we are going to buy. Stop loss below. Check what happened. Beautiful opportunity, beautiful opportunity. Right now it's still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing our way. Stop loss already is now on break even. You can even lock profits, you can even do whatever you now want. But I'm simply giving you this illustration for you to actually see that we know what we are doing. We've been in the game for a very long time, and we know what we are doing, we know what we are saying. So we know what we are doing, we know what we are saying. Me, out of my generosity, I've just decided to be analyzing with you your instruments here on the channel and make sure that you are profitable and you start to realize consistent profitability in the shortest amount of time possible. So this is also another target, short-term target, that you can look out for, because if ever it comes and fails to break here at the top here, it might come here and continue dropping down. So I'm just giving you a short-term target, but roughly, if ever you followed my instructions, if ever you bought there, good. If ever you also bought here, well done. So those were the two entry points that we're looking forward to. And if ever you really paid attention and listened carefully, already right now you are in profit and you made money on that setup there on boom 300. So another entry point that is also valid is this zone here. So from that zone again, someone who is not in can actually consider taking buys. Obviously you wait for rejection. Once you get the 15-minute rejection or 30-minute rejection, you can actually enter the buy there. And first short-term target currently right now is this one, because if ever it doesn't break all the way to the upside, it might just go there and continue selling. But so far, this is the opportunity, guys. This is the opportunity. Already the trade is a break free, it's a risk-free trade on boom 300. We gave the setup. If ever you didn't watch the previous videos, go and watch episode 1, go and watch episode 2. You actually see that we analyzed this instrument before this push up here. We actually did the analysis live with you. We actually gave you the stop loss, we actually gave you the entry point and everything. So now crash 300 as well, as I promised you crash 300 as well, that I'm going to give you an entry point as well. If ever you remember what I said in the first episode, I said I'm going to be giving you the setup before the move happens, during the move, and also after the move has happened. Before, during, and after, I'll be doing all of that, guys, just for you. So this is also another setup, current setup. This is actually time as well to buy crash 300. Why? We have broken the zone that I was speaking about in episode 1 and episode 2. I spoke about this break. I want this break to happen. So someone who wanted an earlier entry, even though it was a risk entry, was this buy here. Buy here based on this demand, created a demand, came back into the demand. You could have actually bought here targeting this resistance or whatever, this resistance or any other levels here at the top. So you could have actually made money with that move. So now, after breaking like that, after this internal change of character, we get a pullback. Once we get a pullback, we now expect the market to go all the way up, to those other next levels there. All right, so if you check, we are at 78.6, very crucial zone, here. Just to be safe, you can put your stop loss just below 88%, just below 88%, just to be safe, so that you're not taken out of any reasons. But so far, this is the setup. This is actually the right time to buy crash 300. This one, if you don't catch it, I don't know. So I can add other confluences. I can even add your trend line breakout and retest. It's all other confluences. It's all other confluences. Break, retest. You can also add that. So trend line break and retest, internal change of character or internal order flow shift, right? Another thing, Fibonacci retracement. Another thing, we now have an order block, more than four confluences already. This is the right time to buy crash 300. So even if you go to 30-minute, 15-minute, there you're simply going there just to see what is happening, but it's actually the same zone on 30-minute, the same zone on 15-minute. So it's actually the right time now to buy crash 300. This one I'll also do another video in the next upcoming episode. You'll see that would have gotten all the way up there, gotten all the way up there, gotten all the way up there, right? So this is the current trade. Buy crash 300 now, your stop loss below there, as I've shown you. Buy there, stop loss below there. Worst case scenario is if ever the market decides to break there and come back and test the support, it's also fine. But if you ever test that support, you can also buy on the support, stop loss below. But this is a worst case scenario that might happen, but it's not something that I usually expect, especially when you now know the codes and you now have the keys. It's not something that you usually expect to just happen just like that out of thin air. So, but that's the current opportunity. It's time to buy crash 300. Buy crash 300 now. Your stop loss below there. Then let's hold the trade all the way. First target, once we come to the previous highs there, you can actually lock maximum profits. Then the next target is that level at the top. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you've liked in the video, make sure you share the video, make sure that you share the video with other fellow crash and boom traders friends, and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you hit the notification bell on, because these sessions are going to be happening on a day-to-day basis, making sure that we analyze your instrument with you and making sure that we bring you into a state of consistent profitability using the knowledge and experience that we have acquired for years and years and years, but simply giving you out of generosity. So if you want to be part of my team, there are links that are in the description. Discord link, there's a Telegram link. If you also want to be part of our focus mentorship, where we actually teach retail trading strategies as well as institutional trading strategies, as well as these codes of crash and booms and so many other stuff. If you also want to be part of that focus mentorship, there's my WhatsApp number in the description below. Feel free to WhatsApp me directly and you'll be part of the team immediately. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you in the next upcoming video. See you in the next upcoming video. See you in the next upcoming video.